What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy JP comes out with another how-to. This is a 2008 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll show you how to take this radio out. So first thing you want to do is come down here to the glove box, and once you open up the glove box, you'll see these two right over here. They're gonna hold two Phillips head screws. So I went on ahead and took those out. Just two regular Phillips head screws. Take those out. Once you take those out, be careful. This actually is an 08. Take your panel removal tool, get right there, and you're gonna take this trim out. So as you see these holes, they have clips from the right side all the way over here to the left where the steering column is. So you want to put that there. Next, we have these two that have to, well, all of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips that have to come out. I don't think I have to worry about this one, but this one right here that holds the passenger airbag together definitely needs to come out. This one that holds the dash kit needs to come out, and the two on the other side as well need to come out. After that, we take our panel removal tool and we come up here, and that's gonna relieve that. That's the passenger airbag. I'm gonna leave that plugged in. I only take that out if I absolutely have to. I'm not even using my panel removal tool. I'm just being careful with my fingers. But please use your tool if you're not a professional. But other than that, now that we got all those screws out, we're able to take that out, and it brings you to these look like some 8 mils back there. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. We're gonna get those out, and I'm pretty sure we'll have that radio. All right, so now we got those unplugged. We have our radio. Now all we gotta do is unplug our harnesses. Hold on. Alright guys, there you have it. Looks like plenty of space to fit a double din. Here is that radio that we just got done taking out, so I'm gonna go ahead and wire this bad boy up. Alright guys, so I got this thing right here tied up like that, nice and neat. Now I know what you think, I didn't actually show you how to wire up the wiring harness or the dash kit. Well, with the dash kit, this thing snaps into that thing, same thing on the other side, and you put your screws in. That's that. Literally the easiest thing ever. As far as this wiring harness, in order to make these things short and sweet and as efficient as possible, I've made one video on how to actually wire up a radio, and you can hit that card right there in the corner. Everything else, the links will be in the description for the radio, the dash kit, wire harness, and these steering wheel controls. I also have a how-to video on how to hook those up. So if you want to watch those videos, hit those cards over there in that corner. Now let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back in so we can see what it looks like when it's all done. Alright y'all, that's just about it. That's what it looks like when it's done. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like, share, subscribe, comment button, all that good stuff. Don't forget, all the links are in the description. Cards are in the corner if you want to learn how to do it yourself. Links to the products are in the description, and I'll see you guys at the next car.